Hey there, holiday decorators. Christmas is just around the corner, and if you're looking to add a personal, handmade touch to your festive decor, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you 17 DIY Christmas decor ideas that will fill your home with warmth, creativity, and all the Christmas cheer. From wreaths and ornaments to garlands and candle holders, these projects are easy, affordable, and perfect for creating that cozy, festive atmosphere. So, grab your crafting supplies, and let's get started. Number 1. Handmade wreaths. Wreaths are a classic Christmas decoration that can easily be made at home. Gather some greenery, such as pine branches or eucalyptus, and create a base using a wire wreath form. Add in some festive elements like berries, pine cones, and ribbon to complete the look. Hang your handmade wreath on your front door or above the fireplace for a festive touch. Number 2. Mason jar snow globes. Mason jars are versatile and can be used for a variety of DIY projects, including snow globes. Fill a mason jar with fake snow, miniature figurines, and glitter to create your own winter wonderland. Secure the lid tightly and add a ribbon or twine around the top for a finishing touch. These snow globes make adorable decorations for shelves or mantels. Number 3. Hand-painted ornaments. Personalize your Christmas tree with hand-painted ornaments that reflect your style and personality. Purchase plain glass or wooden ornaments and use acrylic paint to create festive designs. You can paint traditional holiday motifs like snowflakes, reindeer, or Christmas trees, or get creative with abstract patterns and colors. Hang your hand-painted ornaments on the tree for a unique and artistic touch. Number 4. Pine cone garland. Bring a touch of nature into your home with a pine cone garland. Collect pine cones from your backyard or local park and bake them in the oven to ensure they are clean and free of critters. Attach the pine cones to a string or twine using hot glue, spacing them evenly apart. Hang the garland above doorways, windows, or along the staircase for a rustic and festive decoration. Number 5. Festive candle centerpiece. Create a cozy ambience with a festive candle centerpiece for your dining table or coffee table. Arrange pillared candles of varying heights on a decorative tray or platter. Surround the candles with greenery, berries, pine cones, and ornaments to create a winter wonderland scene. Light the candles in the evening to add warmth and glow to your holiday gatherings. Number 6. DIY Advent Calendar. Count down the days until Christmas with a DIY Advent calendar that you can customize to suit your family's traditions. Create small envelopes or boxes labeled with the numbers 1 to 24 and fill them with treats, small gifts, or activities for each day of December. Hang the envelopes on a string or display the boxes in a festive arrangement. Your Advent calendar will become a cherished tradition for years to come. Number 7. Snowflake window clings. Add a touch of winter magic to your windows with DIY snowflake window clings. Mix equal parts white school glue and liquid dish soap in a bowl and stir until combined. Use a small paintbrush to paint snowflake designs onto wax paper and let them dry overnight. Once dry, peel the snowflakes off the wax paper and adhere them to your windows for a frosty and festive look. Number 8. Handmade stockings. Create personalized stockings for your family members to hang by the fireplace on Christmas Eve. Choose a fabric that reflects each person's style, such as plaid, velvet, or burlap. Use a stocking template to cut out the stocking shape and sew or glue the fabric together. Add embellishments like pom-poms, buttons, or names embroidered in glitter to make each stocking unique. Number 9. Cranberry and rosemary place cards. Elevate your Christmas table setting with handmade place cards that double as festive decor. Bundle fresh cranberries and rosemary sprigs together with twine or ribbon and attach a small tag with each guest's name. Place the bundles on each plate or napkin for a touch of color and fragrance. Your guests will appreciate the thoughtful and beautiful addition to their place setting. Number 10. DIY snowy pine cone ornaments. Transform plain pine cones into elegant ornaments with a snowy finish. Dip the tips of the pine cones in white paint or glitter to create a frosted effect. Attach a loop of ribbon or twine to the top of each pine cone for hanging on the tree. These snowy pinecone ornaments add a touch of winter wonderland charm to your Christmas tree. Number 11. Nutcracker Terrarium. Create a whimsical terrarium featuring miniature nutcrackers and holiday greenery. Fill a glass jar or container with moss, tiny pine trees, and small nutcracker figurines. Add in faux snow, miniature presents, and tiny ornaments for a festive touch. Display your nutcracker terrarium on a shelf or mantle for a charming and festive decoration. Number 12. DIY Pom-Pom Garland. Add a playful and colorful touch to your Christmas decor with a DIY pom-pom garland. Make your own pom-poms using yarn in various colors and sizes, or purchase pre-made pom-poms for convenience. String the pom-poms onto a length of twine or ribbon to create a garland that can be hung on the tree, mantle, or staircase. The pom-pom garland adds a fun and festive element to your holiday decorations. Number 13. Cinnamon Stick Candle Holder. Infuse your home with the warm and cozy scent of cinnamon with a DIY cinnamon stick candle holder. Secure cinnamon sticks around the outside of a pillar candle using hot glue, overlapping them slightly to create a rustic look. Tie a ribbon or twine around the candle holder for a finishing touch. Light the candle to release the sweet and spicy aroma of cinnamon throughout your home. Number 14. Burlap Tree Skirt. Complete the look of your Christmas tree with a handmade burlap tree skirt that adds a rustic and natural touch to your decor. Cut a large circle of burlap fabric and make a small cut in the center to fit around the base of the tree. Add embellishments like lace trim, pom-poms, or festive embroidery to customize your tree skirt. The burlap tree skirt adds charm and warmth to your holiday tree. Number 15. DIY Snowy Lanterns. Create magical lanterns that glow with the soft light of candles and faux snow. Fill glass lanterns with battery-operated candles, faux snow, and miniature winter figurines. Place the lanterns on your porch, entryway, or mantle for a cozy and festive display. The snowy lanterns add a warm and inviting touch to your holiday decor. Number 16. Holiday Card Display. Showcase your collection of holiday cards with a DIY card display that doubles as festive wall decor. Hang a length of twine or ribbon on a wall and use mini clothespins to attach the cards in a cascading pattern. Add greenery, ornaments, or bows to the display for a festive touch. Your holiday cards will become a beautiful and decorative focal point in your home. Number 17. DIY Christmas Tree Topper. Finish off your Christmas tree with a handmade tree topper that adds a personal touch to your holiday decor. Create a star, angel, or other festive design using cardboard, glitter, and embellishments. Attach the tree topper to the highest branch of your tree using wire or a sturdy hook. Your DIY tree topper will be the crowning glory of your Christmas tree. And there you have it, 17 DIY Christmas decor ideas to make your home feel merry and bright this holiday season. These projects are perfect for adding personal touches to your space and spreading the Christmas spirit. Be sure to like and subscribe for more festive DIYs, and let me know in the comments which project you're excited to try first. Happy decorating, and Merry Christmas!